Welcome to this class. Let's look at yet the second part. Let's start the second video to trig function. In this class, we're looking at just these two problems. As you can see, look at this and look at this. Let's start with this first one here. What do we know? We said first is first. You let u to be equal to, term in bracket, that's 2 plus exponential 5x. Differentiate u with respect to x. I'll have that the u over the x is equal to, differentiate 2. 2 is a constant, that's 0, it's off. Differentiate exponential 5x using shortcut. Differentiate the power first. 5x gives 5 times, repeat the question, exponential 5x. So I'm saying that the u over the x now, it gives me 5 exponential 5x. Alright. Next priority, we said but what? We said this y is equal to sine in brackets. This is now u, right? So sine u. 2 plus exponential 5x is u. You can see this is u. If I have y equal to sine x, the y the x is cos x. If I have y equal to sine u, of course the y over the u here, we give both there a cos u, as I have it here, cos u. I'm actually done basically using chain rule. So using chain rule, I'll have that the y over the x is equal to the y over the u times the u over the x. Get this done. The y over the x, so the y over the x is equal to the y over the u, that's cos u, that's cos u times the u the x, that's 5 exponential 5x. That is done. So the y over the x, to save time and space, I'll have my answer as 5 exponential 5x, then cos, what's u? U is cos in bracket 2 plus exponential 5x. Okay, cos 2 plus exponential 5x. That is solve. So this is my answer, please. Now I solve this particular questions. So this one should come out first, then this one. Replace your u as being the original value here. So I have this answer. Let's look at yet the fourth example. This fourth examples will take us to our first video on differentiation. That I said chain rule is one of the method of differentiation, also called function of a function or function of several functions. That's like basically the other name to the other name given to chain rule, right? So basically we use chain rule to get the answers, but yet I'm looking at the higher concept of chain rule, which involve what? Function of a function or function of several functions. How do you differentiate this one? Let's look at this, please. First things first, see the same procedure. First things first, let u to be 10 bracket. So let u to be equal to 2x minus 5. The u the x will give us the u over the x here. We give just 2. I'm done. Next start, but we said y is equal to cos cube. This man now becomes u, that's u. Please bear in mind this for this trick. Bear in mind most people don't know. Look at it. Look up. If I have sine a times sine a, which will be my answer? Is it sine squared a or sine a squared or sine a all squared. Which one will be my answer? If I have sine a times sine a, which one will be my answer? Please note that I have two answers here. I can either go for this or this. This one in the middle here is not the answer. The square is only affecting a, not affecting sine in this form. So this one is wrong. Why this one and this are still correct? So in other words, I'm having cos cube u. What does it mean? It means cos u times cos u times cos u in three places. That gives you cos cube u, or it gives you cos u all to power 3. So note that this can still be written in this form. Please note that this can still be written in this form. I will not stress myself. So let's look up, please. Let's proceed. Let's proceed, please. All right. So at this point, let's proceed. I have that y equal to cos cube u. Now here's the concept. Y equal to cos cube u. Cos cube u means cos u times cos u times cos u in three places. Now let v be one of it. So let v be one of it, cos u. At this point here, I said that cos cube u, we have that y equal to cos cube u, and I just said that cos cube u means cos u times cos u times cos u. They are more than one. So just pick out one and let v be that one. So v equal to cos u. If v is cos u, I'll have that dv over du equal to, differentiate cos u, I'll have minus sine u. Check. Cos x minus sine x, similarly cos u minus sine u. Next task now, go back to this one here, but I have that y is equal to cos u. Observe, cos u now is v. I'll have v, then this 3 to power 3 will come here. Please, I have this, please. All right, now next task here, y and v, that becomes dy over dv has been equal to, differentiate v to power 3, I'll have 3v squared. This is like what you have here. First, I have this one as u differentiate. I have this as differentiation answer, but this y equal to cos cube. This one now is u. This is the u here. Next task here, we said at this junction we have cos cube u. Cos cube u means cos q in three places. So let v be one of it. So v is now cos u. Differentiate v with respect to u. I'll have the v to u is minus sine u. At this point here, go back to this. Y equal to cos u. This cos and u is v. This is v. This cube is here. Differentiate y with v. The over the v is what? 3v squared. At this point here, I'll now apply chain formula, but my chain formula here will be different. So I'll have my formula as dy, using chain rule, using chain rule, I'll have that dy over dx is equal to dy over dv times dv over du times du over dx. This is called function of a function or function of several functions. Don't just cram. See it here. I pick this one first, and I pick this one, and I pick this one, right? So I pick this one first, this one here, and I pick this one, and I picked this one. The 3 gives you function of a function or function of several functions here. From here, I'll have that over the x is dy over the v. Dy over the v, that's 3v squared. 3v squared times the v over the u. The v over the u is minus sine u, so minus sine u times the u dx. That's 2. So I have times 2. From here, 3 times 2 is 6. Minus sign should come out first. 3 times 2 is 6. This v square, I'll have v square, then this sine u. Sine u. It's just a rearrangement. Minus should come first. 3 times 2 is 6. V squared is v squared. Sine u is sine u. Get this done. Let's get this done. Let's try to get this done, please. From here, I'll have that the y over the x, so the y over the x is equal to minus 6. What's v? What's v? V is cos u, right? So minus v cos squared u. Of course, v squared, and the v is cos u. That becomes cos squared u. Sine u. Alright, sine u. I can't leave my answer in this form, so I'll take u and this u back to x. That is, replace the value as this, right? So I'm saying that the y over the x will be equal to minus 6 cos squared, what's u? That's 2x minus 5. Then sine, what's u? 2x minus 5. This becomes my answer after solving this particular question. This is my answer after solving this particular question, please. So I'll give you an assignment to try and do it and leave your answer in the comment section. So try this one assignment. So try this out for me. Y equal to cot to power 4 sine 2x. All right. So you try this one. All right. Try this. Try this. Follow the same pattern I used here, and then we'll see. You see what you get, and leave your answer to this question in the comment section. But by the way, this one here is a higher form of trig, right? Involving higher powers. This one is higher power, right? Like 3, like higher power, like 4, like 5. How do you solve it? I'll show you how to do that, please. So I'll leave your answer in the comment section to this. See you in our next class.